Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs. So, yes, this is your message and energy check reading. Okay. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yes, please do follow me on TikTok and sa atin pong FB page. Okay? Kita-kita tayo doon. Sa FB page. So, meron din ako doong ipinopost ng mga readings for the collectives. Okay? So, wala po siya dito. Nandoon siya. Okay? So, yeah. Please do follow and like. Thank you. Okay. So, pagdating naman po sa personal reading, message nyo po ako sa atin pong FB page. Okay? So, yeah, para makita ko kayo. Kasi kapag dito sa comment section, I can't. Oo. Nagkakahalo-halo na. Okay. So, let's start. Merong something professional. Professional. Naririnig ako. Professional. I don't know kung ano yun. Maybe you're like a professional, no? Nanonood ngayon. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. So, let's start. Aries placements. Okay. So, Aries placements. Anong meron for you? Okay. Message. Energy check for Aries placements. Okay. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Delay pagdating sa new beginnings or kaperahan. In general, there's a delay. Okay, some of you may delay patungkol sa parang opportunity sa work. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Swords. Some of you, meron akong naririnig na may marireject. Okay? May message. Pwedeng may nakalagay doong reject. Okay? Or pwedeng merong message na dumating sa inyo and kailangan yung i-reject. Okay? The Knight of Cups universe. So, to be specific, message from a non-consistent, okay, or inconsistent na tao. Okay? Hindi nyo dapat pag-aksayhan ng oras yan. Earth sign, air, and water. Okay. So, ano tong Ace of Pentacles in reverse? The Eight of Swords in reverse. Some of you, parang may chance na makatapos pagdating sa loans. Okay? Sa loans. Some of you, kung merong something na nadidelay regarding pakikipagbalikan, okay, ng isang past person, gawin ninyo yung parang blessing in disguise. I don't know why. Okay? Yeah. The Nine of Swords. Yes. Kasi merong iba dito talagang magugulo ka lang eh. Okay, if ever na may mangyaring pagbabalikan with a past person, some of you pwedeng magkaroon pa ng conflict sa kung anong meron kang pinagtatrabahuhan ngayon. In general, pwedeng sa kaperahan mo magkaroon ng conflict kapag ito nangyari. Okay? What's the Page of Swords? Yeah, the Page of Cups. So, meron ditong gusto talaga makipag-usap sa'yo. Okay? May nagkaka-crush yung iba. May nakukuha akong ganung energy sa mga Aries. Merong nagkaka-crush sa inyo. Merong mga nag-i-stalk. Okay? Pero walang lakas ng loob na gumawa ng paraan. Okay? The Magician in reverse. Yeah. Some of you. A past person is manifesting you back. Okay? Manifesting you back. Some of you, ikaw yung nagawa. Ano tong Knight of Cups in reverse? Yeah, the Ace of Wands in reverse. So, pwedeng may mangyaring parang tawag doon, ganto-ganto lang ang mangyayari sa mga bumabalik na ex. Yan, puro ganto-ganto lang. Yun lang ang gusto, no? Okay, so I don't know. Pwedeng meron din ditong energy na parang inconsistent siya. Inconsistent. Dahil, yes, gusto lang niya is ganon, sa'yo. Yeah, the Three of Swords in reverse. Yun nga. Bakit ganyan? Aries, parang merong gustong bumalik sa yung person from the past na talagang makikipag-chok-chak-chenes pa to sa'yo, no? Pero, yes, hindi mo makikitaan ng intentions, true intentions, true emotions, dahil gusto lang niya ng ganito. And gusto niyang makipag-ayos lang. Okay? So much better maybe guard yourself, no, from them. Okay? Next is Taurus. Okay, so Taurus placements. Anong message for you, Taurus? Okay. Some of you may pag-level up pagdating sa'yo, in general. Okay? Yun na lang. May pag-level up. So, Taurus, anong message for you? May parating na pag-level up, parating na progress for some of you. Okay? Yeah, the World. That's good. This is like completion. Okay? Some of you may, parang completion, endings. Okay? May mga ganyan. Cycle na matatapos na. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, this is healing. Two of Swords. Okay? The Ace of Wands in reverse. Kung sino man itong gustong bumalik sa'yo, puro na lang may bumabalik. Ano ba ngayon? Ano bang meron ngayon? Anong meron ngayon? May retrograde ba ngayon? Hindi ako updated. The Six of Swords in reverse. This is like someone from the past is going back, is coming back. Okay? So, kailangan ninyong i-guard or i-avoid muna ite. Okay? Avoid nyo muna to kasi nakikita ko hindi rin naman magiging okay. Some of you, you're like healing. Okay? And, gano'n naman palagi no? Kapag nagiging okay yung energy nyo or magiging okay, nandyan palagi yung may bumabalik. Okay? Maybe universe is trying to challenge you, trying to test you. Okay? Kung talaga ba na ikaw is totally healed na already. So, siguro meron siyang mga ibibigay na bagong energies or frequencies or, diba? Open doors of opportunities. Yeah. What's with the World? Okay. Yeah. Eight of Pentacles. This is like oras mo para mag-grow. Okay? Oras mo para mag-grow. So, wag mo i-delay. Because of this. Okay? Yeah, sabi ko sa'yo, meron some of you tinetest ka ni universe. Okay? Pero, yun nga, mag-focus ka lang sa kung anong mga ginagawa mo sa ngayon. No? Huwag ka nang bumalik sa nangyaring pwedeng mga cycle na hindi naman okay. So, ialis mo yung sarili mo, no? Sa mga paulit-ulit na pangyayari. Okay? Iba sa inyo, parang merong delays pagdating sa travel. Okay? May delays. Ang nakikita ko rito is like overseas. Okay? Two of Swords. Yeah. The Queen of Cups in reverse. Something, okay, someone, isa sa inyo, mga Taurus, ang parang nanghihinayang every time na pipiliin yung sarili muna. Avoid nyo, okay? Avoid nyo yan. Or pwedeng may isang person dito, a water sign, air sign, is like, gini-guilt trip ka. Avoid them. Okay? Kailangan mo silang i-avoid. Pinaparamdam kasi nila sa'yo na selfish ka sa mga ginagawa mo, lalo na kung inuuna mo sarili mo. Okay? Yeah, the devil. Avoid them. Avoid them. Some of them, para silang nakamask, no? Ang mga sinasabi sa'yo, akala mo kung sinong like, tupa, no? Mabait na tupa. Oh, uy, ganto, ganyan. Pero, deep inside, may something. Okay? Deep inside. Ace of Wands, please, in reverse. Okay. The Hangman. Delay. Okay. Ano bang meron? The Knight of Cups in reverse. I think some of you, there's like a blockage. No? Merong gustong humabol pero hindi ginagawa. Mayroon talagang mga gustong kumunik uli sa'yo, Taurus, na parang ang ginagawa is dumidepende sa papaanong reaksyon ang gagawin mo sa kanila. Okay? I don't like that. I don't like that energy. Para silang kinakapaka. Nababahagang buntot. I don't know. Okay. So, next is Gemini. Okay, so Gemini placements. Anong meron for you? Okay, so yeah. Gemini. Some of you might be dealing with an Aries. Okay, Aries placements. So yeah, Gemini placements. Anong message for you? Okay, energy check. Okay, the Seven of Cups. Some of you busy, confused. Okay. Gemini. Yung iba sa inyo parang natutulala na lang kung anong gagawin. Hindi alam kung paanong gagawin sa isang situation. Yeah. The Ace of Swords. To avoid confusion, kunin yung details in general. Okay? If merong nang-confuse sa'yo, hindi mo mararamdaman, hindi mo may experience yung confusion na yan if they're like honest, loyal, or genuine pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, may confusion because may malaking question mark na nangyayari. Question mark. Isang malaking question mark yang nasa harap mo ngayon. Meaning, hindi mo nakikita kung anong meron. Okay? So, kunin mo. Pwede ka magtanong. Pwede ka magtanong. Some of you, this is like a situation na with emotions, no? Ganyan. Some of you, person. Ano po kaya yung intention niya? Ano po kaya emotion niya? Hindi dapat tayo ganun. No? Kung ganyan ka man, itanong mo sa kanya. Kung hindi niya kayang ibigay sa'yo yung sagot na gusto mo o yung sagot na hinihingi mo, then hindi ka na dapat ma-confuse. Okay? Sagot na yun. Sagot na yun. Yeah, the 5 of Wands. Problems. What's with the 7 of Cups? Yeah, parang meron ditong bumabalik or nakikipag-ayos. Meron ditong nakikipag-usap na parang kausapin mo ko kasi ganto-ganto, ganyan-ganyan. Pero hindi mo alam yung intention niya, bakit siya bumabalik, no? Yes. Or kung bakit siya nakikipag-ayos. Problem lang ang naibibigay sa'yo. The Hierophant in reverse. Hindi ito makikipagbalikan sa'yo na ang gusto is commitment. No, they are non-committal. They are non-committal. Okay, that's why confusion ang ibinibigay sa'yo. Kung sino man to, no? Okay. Ace of Swords, please. Ace of Swords. The Two of Swords. They are like trying to avoid being genuine. Okay? Kung kayo Gemini, talagang hindi may ibigay sa iyo yung talagang hinahanap mo na sagot. Huwag mo nang hanapin. Hindi yun ibibigay. Okay? Kasi hindi naman talaga hinahanap or hinihingi. No? Yung pagiging genuine ng isang tao. Kung gusto nilang maging tapat na talaga sa'yo, unang-una pa lang, magiging tapat na yan. Magiging honest na yan. Magiging transparent na yan. Magiging genuine na yan. Okay? Ace of the Swords. Ace of Swords, Two of Swords equals Three of Swords. Meaning, pain. The Three of Swords. 1 plus 2. Ito na naman tayo sa math, no? Yeah, ganun yun. Okay? 5 of Wands. Diba sa inyo, may blockage. Okay? May blockage. Patungkol sa parang yung iba sa inyo kasi parang hinahayaan nyo or pinagdadamot nyo sa inyo yung freedom. Pinagdadamot nyo sa sarili nyo yung freedom. Yeah, nakikita ko yan. 5 of Wands, please. The 10 of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah. The Queen of Pentacles. Some of you, there's like an issue with a mother figure, mother or father figure. Okay? Or pwedeng regarding responsibilities. Nakakita ko dito ng single parent. Single parent. Super daming problem, lalo na regarding finances. Pero you're strong. Okay? You're strong. Yeah. Yeah, the 6 of Wands. And the 4 of Wands. Makakakuha ka ng something in the near future ng success. Okay? Ng stability. Okay? Maraming attention ang ibibigay sa'yo. Makakakuha ka ng attention. I guess some of you may help na darating. Okay? Finances, emotionally, physically, mga ganyan bagay ba. Mga tulong, okay, na darating sa'yo. So, don't worry. Okay? Don't worry. Okay. So, next is Cancer. Okay. Cancer. Anong meron for you? Okay. Someone is thinking about like parang isa sa inyo or don't know, parang may energy rito na parang nag-overthink sa mga pwedeng mangyari sa kanya. Okay? Sa mangyayari sa future niya, may mga ganyan. Some of you may panghihinayang. Yeah. Okay. Cancer. The Queen of Wands. Okay. Attraction. Some of you pwedeng may mag-level up, no? Pagdating sa personality, pagdating sa physical, no? The Four of Wands. And the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Around your workplace, okay, around your workplace, meron ditong mga taong alam na may potential ka, pero idinadown ka. Excuse me? Yeah, parang, wala yan. Parang ginaganon ka. Okay? Why? May inggit sa'yo. Okay? Some of you, wag mong ubusin yung oras mo sa mga bagay na walang kapararakan. Okay? Wag mong ubusin yung oras mo sa mga bagay na walang kaimportantihan. Oo, I don't know. Meron kang kailangang i-surrender. Some of you, bisyo. Okay? Para magkaroon ng improvement pagdating sa sarili. Okay? Queen of Wands, please. Yeah, the Page of Swords. So, pwedeng yun nga, maraming nakakapansin, no? Sa physical outlook, sa physical looks mo. Pwedeng marami. Iba sa inyo, may idea na. Pwedeng may plano, no? Magpagupit, ganyan. Mga babae, mga palalaki. Basta something physical, no? Physical looks. Four of Wands, please. Yung iba dito parang umi-effort patungkol sa para makahanap ng partner. Umi-effort. The Star in reverse. You needs to heal. Okay, yung ginagawa mo, if ever, no, nagpapaganda ka, nagpapagwapo ka, yeah, okay yan. Eight of Cups in reverse. Naku po. Naku po. Okay. So, energy vampires is here. Energy vampires is coming. Okay? To drain you. So, be strong. Okay? Be practical. Be wise. Seven of Pentacles, please, in reverse. Or the Hermit. Yeah. Gawin mong makabuluhan yung oras mo araw-araw. Okay? Iba sa inyo nakikita ko parang sa bahay lang. Parang ganyan. Literal na sa bahay lang. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles in reverse. The Page of Pentacles. Ito ang nakikita ko. Cancer. Meron dito, like, merong gustong maging maayos ang sitwasyon. In general. Pero they're not doing anything. No actions at all. No? Parang inuubos yung oras ng nakanganga. Hinihintay ko anong mangyayari. Pero gusto nila na magkaroon ng magandang result. Sa tingin nyo ba mangyayari yun? A Virgo. Earth sign. Iba rito, hinihintay nyo yung message. Yung taong hinihintay ninyo, masyadong busy. Okay? Busy sa mga gawain niya araw-araw. Ikaw rin busy. Alam mo na kung anong ginagawa mo. Okay? Pwedeng maging vice versa. Okay, so there. Next is Leo. Leo placements. Okay. Anong message for you, Leos? Leos. Message. Energy check. Okay. The Knight of Cups. Someone is expressing or will express their emotions. Okay? Emotions. Na Six of Cups. Sino ka? Leo. Meron ako dito nakikitang get together. Friends. Families. Yeah. Some of you. Meron ditong mag-express ng emotions na past person. Yes, dahil namimiss ka nila. Okay? Yeah. The Nine of Swords universe. Why? Dahil ayaw na nilang mag-isip. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo nga nasa separation, no? Sabi ko nga past person. Ayaw niya mag-isip. Some of you kasi is hindi ka na totally like nadidistract, no? Ng past person mo. Okay? So, feeling niya wala na siya or like, no? Parang ganun yung iniisip niya. So, andyan siya, kakatok. Magme-message. Kukumustahin ka. Kasi hindi nila gusto yung separation. Hindi nila gusto na parang may problem kayo. Some of you, friend mo to, na may magso-sorry, ganyan. Some gestures na gagawin. Meron ako dito nakikita magpapadala ng flowers. Yeah. Para mas settle down. Lahat ng arguments, if ever, meron. Okay? Knight of Cups, please. Yeah, the Seven of Wands universe. Para maalis ang tension. See? The Two of Cups. Six of Cups, please. Ano ito? Oo, di ba? Ayan yun. Ayan yung kanina. So, yes. Some of you. Sino ka? Leo. Meron ditong past person na magre-reach out. And ang way niya ng pagre-reach out is like, napaka-needy niya or napaka-kawawa niya. Yes. Okay? Makikipagbalikan to. Makikipagbalikan pero hindi ko nakikita na tingnan natin, ha? If ever. Yeah, they're like, kumusta ka? Parang, hindi ako naging okay. Yung mga ganon. Yeah, may mga ganyan. Lagi kitang iniisip. Mga ganyan. Yan na, sinasabi ko. The Eight of Cups. Put an arm's distance from this person. Okay? Kasi ang nakikita ko, if ever, no? na yan, ayan na, bumabalik na siya, para siyang kawawa or what. Kapag naging okay, nagkaroon na ng connection again, nandiyan na naman siya, alis na naman siya. So, keep your arms distance. Okay? Keep an arm's distance. Keep an arm's distance from this person. Dahil, syempre, ayaw natin ulit malulugmok, no? Maiiwan na ang daming tanong. Ayaw natin yan, no? So, mas maganda maging, sabihin natin, detached and cold. Okay? Iba kasi dito, kaya sila nangangalampag or mangangalampag na naman kasi feeling nila wala ka ng pake. Yeah. The Nine of Swords, universe, please. Yeah, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, parang feeling nila, meron ditong air sign na ang feeling nila is wala ka ng pakialam sa kanila. Okay? Pwedeng may air sign dito na gustong iparating sa'yo na parang wala na silang pakialam. They're like free. Okay? Free of worry. Free of stress. We. Tingnan natin. Anong totoo? They're stalking you. They are stalking you. They are stalking you. Silently. Okay? Silently. Some of them, nagko-cross-watch. The Two of Pentacles in reverse. Yes. Yun nga, ginagawa nila yung kunyari, wala nang pakialam. Pero yes, may air sign dito. Air. I think this is Virgo. And Earth sign. Kunyari, wala na silang pakialam. Pero they are stalking you. Okay? They are stalking you. Next. Virgo. Okay. So, Virgo placements. Virgo, some of you may progress. Ako nakikita pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay, pasensya na po sa umuubo sa background. Hindi na maalis yan. Okay. Virgo placements. Okay. Anong meron? Message? Energy check? Virgos. Parang biglang na-drain sa mga Virgo. Drain ba kayo mga Virgo? Bigla ako na-drain. Six of Pentacles. Some of you masyadong nagbibigay ng kung ano-ano. Pwedeng iba sa inyo may babayaran. Okay? Pwedeng something regarding a trip. Okay? Travel. Yan. Iba sa inyo parang makakatapos na ng loans. Yeah. At magiging free na. Loan free. Okay. The Queen of Swords. Yeah. Okay. And, isa pa. The Two of Pentacles. May mga taong lalapit sa iyo, hingi ng tulong, pero hindi mo kailangang mag-oo or maghihindi agad. Okay? Kailangan mong maging wise. I don't know kung ano ito. Meron ditong like juggling. May nagja-juggle. Parang heart over mind. Mind over heart. Decisions. Six of Pentacles, please. The Knight of Cups in reverse. Nahihingi ng like second chance. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Not chance. Okay? Pwedeng itong mga to is inconsistent. So, kailangan mo na maging wise dun, no? Kung nakikitaan mo siya ng inconsistency pagdating sa mga actions niya towards you at lalo na ang intention niya is to makipagbate, makipag-ayos, no? Pero hindi siya naging consistent. Then, confusion ang bigay, no? Be the Queen of Swords. Be the Queen of Swords. If there's confusion, alam mo na, ha? Queen of Swords, please. The Nine of Cups in reverse. I think this is like healthy boundaries. Okay? Healthy boundaries. Yeah, the Justice. Hindi naman ito like pagiging makasarili, no? May situation dito na pwedeng pipiliin mo yung sarili mo over them. Okay? Pero hindi ito pagiging makasarili or what. Kasi para tong, sabi ko nga, healthy boundaries. Okay? Yeah. Para din kasi sa'yo to. Kaya nakikita ko pwedeng pipiliin mo yung sarili mo over them. Okay? Over the situation. Two of Pentacles, please. Two of Pentacles. Excuse me. The Ace of Cups in reverse. The Seven of Swords. So, kanina, pagdating sa some of you, pagdating sa love, no? Meron ditong like juggling, delays. Why? Kasi parang parang okay, ayoko na ng ganito. Parang paulit-ulit na lang tayo. Kailangan naman natin mag-enhance, magkaroon ng improvement, mga ganyan. No? Parang meron ng napapatanong, ano bang patutunguhan ng ating relasyong ito or sitwasyon na ito? Yeah, the Emperor. Meron nang napapatanong dito. Okay? Kung ikaw, alam mo yung plano mo sa buhay, no? Alam mo yung gagawin mo for the future para sa sarili mo. And itong kasama mo na ito is hindi mo alam kung anong meron, no? Ay decision making na ito, no? Kailangan na. Oo. Head over heart decisions. Okay? Virgo, so there. Next is Libra. Okay, so Libra placements. Anong message for you? Message for Libras. Okay, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Thank you. Okay, so Libra. Libra, ano bang message for you? The Tower in reverse. Scorpio energy. Okay. Avoiding something. Ano ito? Some of you, isang separation na nangyari, okay, na kailangan mo talagang i-avoid. Oh my God, the Six of Cups. Okay, mapapakanta na naman tayo dito ng the past. At talaga naman, maging open ka na for new opportunities. Okay? Maging open ka na. Wag na dito. Okay? May past person na kailangan mo nang iwasan kahit nahihirapan ka. Dahil nakikita ko talagang paulit-ulit to sa isip mo. Pwede maging vice versa. Yeah. The Sun in reverse. Kasi nagdadala lang siya ng confusion, ng conflict, ng drama. Kaya kailangan mo nang iwasan, Libra. Okay? So, nandito si Leo, water sign, Scorpio. Okay. What's with the Tower? In reverse. Some of you, okay, hindi mo kailangang bigyan ng attention or pansin itong someone na ito kung hindi rin naman sila nagiging open or like transparent. Okay? Yeah. Hindi mo kailangang maging open din sa kanila. Hindi mo kailangang mag-adjust para magkaroon ng kalinawan. Okay? Kung sila naman ang lumalapit. Okay? Pero, yeah. The Tower, please, universe. Strength. So, yun nga, parang meron ka ng mga kailangang i-avoid dahil nakakapagbigay lang sa'yo ito ng sabihin nating drain. Nadidrain ka lang from those situations. Okay, kailangan mo nang umusad. The Chariot. Okay, some of you, this is Cancer. Leo. Pwedeng, yeah. Some of you, mas pinipili na mag-move on from a past person. Okay? 6 of Cups, please. Yeah. Yes. Nakakapagod na sitwasyon. Nakakapagod. Yes, confusion. May past person kayong nako-confuse. Pwedeng hindi na nila alam kung ano ba talagang meron sa'yo ngayon. Namimiss ka nila. Yeah. The Ace of Wands, universe. Nakita ko na makeup sex dito, ha, Libra. Ha? So, if ever may nabalik, no? And naging marupok tayo dito sa paruteng ito, no? Asahan nyo, nakikita ko rito is yun, parang babalik lang sa kung anong meron noon. May replay lang. Replay. What's with the Sun in reverse? The Knight of Swords. Okay. And the Star. Yeah. Kaya confusion ang dala. Kasi they're not healed. They are not healed. They're not totally healed. Hindi sila para makipag-commit. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may isang balita, okay, na maririnig kayo, pero hindi, parang totally makakapagpa-move on sa'yo. No, from a situation na hindi na talaga pwede. Yeah. Okay? Okay. May mga friends ka na parang feeling nila ina-avoid mo sila, Libra. Ina-avoid mo daw sila. Okay? Some of them, parang nayayabangan sa'yo. I don't know why. Yeah, maybe siguro ina-avoid mo nga, no? Nayayabangan na sila sa'yo. Why? Some of you, may mga gustong kumausap sa'yo. An Aquarius. Leo. Air sign. Kaso, they're not, like, sure. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. The Three of Swords. They're in pain. Hanggang ngayon. Hindi pa rin sila totally makapag-heal from you. Gusto nila makipag-usap dahil pwedeng namimiss ka, pwedeng, gusto lang magtanong kung ano-anong mga bagay-bagay. Pero hindi sila para makipag-commit. Or hindi sila para makipag-connect uli. Okay? So, next, Scorpio. Okay. Scorpio placements. Okay. Anong meron for Scorpios? Message, energy check, Scorpios. Oops, kunin ko ito. Okay, the Knight of Wands. Anong meron? The Tower, okay. Scorpio, there's a fire sign, or maybe ikaw to, because energy mo tong the Tower, no? Some of you, you're like playing the field. Kailangan mo rin sigurong lumabas-labas ng bahay, no? Yeah. Some of you nasa situation ng separation. Okay? Kailangan mong maging okay. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. Okay. What's with the Knight of Wands? Yeah, the Page of Wands in reverse. May kumukuha ng attention. Meron ditong gumagawa ng gestures pero hindi direct. Okay? Yeah, they want to talk. They want to talk. Yeah, may attraction pa rin. Big time attraction. Okay? Pero, yeah, nai-intimidate. That's why. Nai-intimidate. Pwedeng past person mo to. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw ito sa isang past person. The Tower, please. What's with the Tower? Yeah, big Scorpio placements. So, maybe that's you. The World. This is like totally ending or new beginning for some of you. Pero nandyan yung struggles, nandyan yung problems, nandyan yung something hindi maganda, no? Pagdating sa situation. Yeah. Oh my God, the Five of Wands. Nahihirapan yung iba sa inyo. No? Nahihirapan tanggapin kung anong meron sa ngayon. Excuse me. Yeah. Ayaw yung like, ma-reject. No? Some of you, ayaw yung ma-reject kayo. Kaya, doon yung overthink. Diyan yung problem. May takot pagdating sa pagbabago. May natatakot. Okay? Five of Pentacles, please. The Three of Swords. Yeah, merong gusto makipag-ayos. Some of you, pagdating sa kaperahan, medyo magiging okay na. May magso-sorry. Some of you, pasensya na po sa ingay sa paligid-ligid. The Four of Swords. Okay. The Sun. Hang on. Okay. So, sana ba? Some of you, okay, may earth sign, air sign dito na parang, okay, kung may separation, edi go. Parang ganyan. Kakalimutan ko lang to. Parang ganyan. Kakalimutan ko lang. And pipiliin ko maging masaya. Yeah, may ganun. Yeah. Some of them, pwedeng nakaka-move on na eh. Okay, pwedeng person mo, Scorpio, ang nagiging okay na. Some of them, pwedeng hindi na nila pinipilit. Okay? Excuse me. Hindi nila pinipilit yung something pagdating sa healing. Para kasing totally parang normal na. Okay? Okay na. Yeah. Hindi ko alam kung isa sa inyo. Okay? Isa sa inyo. Scorpio. Kung ikaw itong struggling sa separation, yung isa, nakakalayo-layo na. Okay? Vice versa. Okay? Pwedeng ikaw yung nakakalayo-layo na, pwedeng person mo struggling, no? Pagdating sa separation. Okay? So, sino ka dun? Okay. Sagittarius. Okay. Sag. Anong meron for you? Sagittarius placements. Okay. Message, energy check. Four of Swords. No, the Four of Wands in reverse. There's a problem regarding stability. Okay. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So, siguro, ang dami yung responsibilities, no? Parang, okay, nasa-set aside yung yung mga plano nyo. Maraming nakadepende. Some of you, single pa lang, ang dami na talagang dumidepende. Kahit single ka pa lang. Okay, ang dami mo nang isipin, ang dami mo nang problem. Yeah. The Five of Swords, Universe. Na talagang gustong-gusto mo nang malayasan. Matapos. Iba sa inyo may problem pagdating sa bahay, sa mga bayarin, matapos rin yan. Okay, don't worry. Four of Wands, Universe. Yeah, strength. Bakit walang room for growth? Sag. Bakit parang walang room for growth? Nakita ko dito ng physically hindi okay. Nakakaramdam ako dito ng physically drained, physically, emotionally drained, mentally drained, in general, drained. Madalas ba kayong magkasakit? Mga Sag? Nakakaramdam ako dito ng may sakit. Yeah. Yung parang, ito, nakikita ko nito, literal na may sakit. Na parang, ang inisip, sana okay na lang ako. Tapos, gagawin ko lang lahat ng pwede kong gawin kung magaling na ako. Para may ganun. Huwag niyong hayaan na yung health ninyo ang maging blockage, no? Sa mga pwede nyo pang magawa later on. Okay? Huwag ninyong hayaan na sitwasyon na ang maging blockage sa mga gusto nyo pang magawa. Huwag nyong hintayin yung ganun. Okay? What's with the Nine of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah, the Judgment in reverse. Nakakita ko dito, Sag, ng hindi okay. Hindi okay. Ang bigat ng energy ng mga Sag. Super. Gustong-gusto nang makawala sa problem. Gustong-gusto nang makawala sa depression. Ayaw na nung iba dito. Uy. Sag. Ano ite? Kung ano man yan, don't do it. Don't. Nakita ko dito na may mga ganyan. Mayroon ng nag-a-attempt. Okay, stop it. Stop. Okay. Stop. Oo, may mga Sagittarius dito na talaga naman. Kumuha kayo ng mga kausap. Lumabas-labas kayo ng bahay. Paminsan-minsan, kung meron kayong mga dinaramdam, like, may something na mabibigat na problem, no? Humanap kayo ng kausap. Some of you, isulat nyo. Isulat nyo yung mga problema nyo, tapos, sunugin nyo. Okay? Five of Swords, Universe, please. The Lovers, yeah. Humanap kayo ng companion, humanap kayo ng partner, humanap kayo ng mga kausap. Okay? Magiging okay ka rin, Sag. Magiging okay ka rin. Ngayon lang yan. Ngayon lang yan. Yung problem, wag mong tatambayan, Okay? Wag mong tatambayan. Hayaan mong dumaan lang. Pero wag kang tatambay. Okay? Makakalagpas ka dyan. Kung ano man yan, makakalagpas ka dyan. Masyadong mabigat ang energy nyo, Sag. Okay? Huwag nyo isiping wala kang kwenta. Dahil meron. Ha? Nandiyan ka dahil may kwenta ka. Ha? Okay? So, yeah. Okay. Next. Capricorn. Okay. So, Capricorn placements. Okay. Capricorn. Okay. So, some of you, their success in general. Okay. Success. Yung iba sa inyo, meron naghihintay ng reconciliation. Capricorn. Capricorn. Yung iba sa inyo, parang tinatamad na lumabas-labas ng bahay. Like, makisama with friends. No? Go out with friends. Yeah. The Five of Swords. Okay. The Lovers. There's a Gemini here na talagang nag-overthink, I guess. Nagbibigay ng conflict. Yeah, the World in reverse. Scorpio. Kung ano man to. May unfinished business. Some of you. Unfinished business. What's with the Five of Swords? Capricorn. Kasi nakita ko sa inyo na may success yung iba sa inyo. And someone is like feeling left out. May nakakaramdam dito na they're like feeling left out. Parang napabayaan mo na daw sila. Wala ka nang pakialam sa kanila. Yeah. They are full of struggles. Full of conflict, drama. Pero ikaw ang tingin nila kasi sa'yo is like wala ka na daw pakialam sa kanila. Nagiging okay ka na. Ano tong Five of Swords? Yeah, the High Priestess. Some of them, pwedeng ini-stalk ka, pinapanood ka, okay, nagko-cross-watch, yan, mga ganun. Ang dami na ditong gumugulo sa isip niya. So, nagtatry siyang mag-stalk. They want a connection with you. They want a connection. Yeah. The Queen of Cups. Some of you, naging mabait ka sa taong to, that's why. Or pwedeng meron pa ring emosyon itong mga to sa'yo. What's with the Lovers? Some of you if there's like something na confuse ka, makinig ka sa intuition mo. Okay? Capricorn. Makinig ka sa intuition mo, ginagabayan ka nila. Okay? May mga signs silang ipapakita. Ganyan. Kung walang makapagbigay ng tama or like wala kang makausap or wala kang mahingian ng opinions or whatsoever, yeah, humingi ka, no? Humingi ka ng gabay. Okay? What's with the Lovers? They're trying to connect with you, pero hindi mo nakikita, hindi mo napapansin. Yeah, the King of Swords in reverse. Someone is like afraid connecting with you. Yeah. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Parang feeling nila miss opportunity yung nangyari. Yeah, meron ditong unfinished business. Yeah. Gusto lang bumalik. The Three of Cups. A past person wanting na magkaroon ulit ng pagbabalikan. Water sign, air sign, Aquarius to be exact, and Gemini. What's with the World? Something is delaying you. What's with the World in reverse? So, kailangan mo nang umusad, no? Sa mga delays. Kailangan mo nang umusad, kailangan mo nang hindi pag-aksayahan ng oras yung mga hindi pa magawa-gawa sa ngayon. Okay? And mag-focus sa mga ibang bagay. Yeah, the Six of Pentacles. Huwag mo ubusin yung energy mo sa iisa. Okay, huwag mo ubusin yung energy mo sa mga bagay na hindi mo pa makuha sa ngayon. Okay, give chance to other opportunities. Okay, the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles. Sabi ko sa'yo, may success dito. Some of you, there's growth pagdating sa kaperahan. Some of you, this is long-term relationship. Okay? Yeah. Huwag mo aksayahin yung energy mo sa mga hindi nangyari. Or hindi, sabihin natin, nagkaroon ng katuparan. No? Huwag mo na aksayahin yun. Huwag mo nang i-delay yung sarili mo sa mga bagong opportunities na papasok. Okay? So, there. Next is Aquarius. Okay. So, Aqua. Uy, isang cat. Ikaw agad yung lumabas. Aquarius, how are you? Okay. Aqua. So, ano bang meron for you? Anong message for the Aquarians out there? Aqua. Message for Aquarius, please. Energy check. Okay, Aquarius. The Eight of Wands in reverse. Some of you, mayroong blockage pagdating. Iba sa inyo, pwede mayroon kayong iniiwasang kausapin. Meron kayong binablock. Meron kayong hindi pinapansin. Iba naman, pwedeng merong mga messages na hindi nyo pa na-open. So, tingnan ninyo. Okay. Ha, oo. May naghihintay ng reply. May naghihintay na makipag-usap ka sa kanila. Pero you're not talking. You're not doing it. Okay. So, okay. Again. The Seven of Pentacles. Waiting. Iba sa inyo, nadidelay kayo kakahintay. Imbes na gumawa kayo, pinipili nyo magstay, no? Sa isang area. Okay, sige, dito muna ako. Baka kasi sakali. Yeah, mga ganan. Sakali. Yeah, the King of Wands, universe. Don't settle for less, baby. Ha? Don't settle for less. The Four of Swords. Meron ka na mga kailangang i-let go, kalimutan. Wag mo nang hintayin ito. Some of you, this is a Sagittarius. Okay? Fire sign and earth sign. So, wag mo nang hintayin ito. Okay? Kasi nakikita ko rito is they are manipulating you. Yung way nila ng yung way nila ng manipulation is like they are not talking. Iniintay nila na ikaw yung gumawa ng way. Ikaso nga, fire sign, kung sino ka man, no? Kasi, kung nagko-crosswatch ka dito kay Aqua, wala kang mapapala. Okay? Wala. Okay, so Eight of Wands in reverse. Eight of Wands in reverse. The Six of Wands. There is a fire sign talaga na parang they want chase. They love chase. Meron ditong parang ginagamit yung talaga. Para silang hustler na hustler. Hustler! Ayan The Three of Swords. So, may breakup dito. May nagpapahabol, may humahabol. Kaso, ang nakikita ko, doon sa nagpapahabol, walang humahabol. Okay, tawa muna tayo. Aray ko po. Okay. Yeah, kasi naghihintay ito Naghihintay yung fire sign. Wala siyang hinihintay. Okay, Seven of Pentacles, please. The Fool in reverse. Para kasing nagpe-play safe. Playing safe. Itong taong ito. Okay. Some of you, meron ditong situation na kailangan mo maging careful. Okay? Be careful. I don't know. Some of you, pwedeng dito sa taong to. Okay? Yeah. Para ma-avoid yung conflict, para ma-avoid yung something na hindi okay. So, kailangan mong maging careful. Kailangan maging dahan-dahan. Ha? King of Wands, please, in reverse. The Page of Cups, in reverse. So, wala kang maririnig from this person. Okay? Yeah, the world. Some of them, they're like trying na ipakita sa'yo, iparamdam sa'yo na tapos na. Pero no. No. Tinitingnan nila maigi kung ano ang magiging reaction mo sa ginagawa nila. Okay? Iba rito, meron kayong employer. Sabay ganun, no? Yeah. May employer yung iba dito na parang minamanipulate lang kayo pagdating sa promotion. Okay? Yeah. Na-manipulate lang kayo pagdating sa promotion. Okay, so next is Pisces. Okay, so Pisces placements. Okay. I need to shuffle. Okay. Some of you might be dealing with a Virgo. Okay. Pisces. Anong meron? For Pisces placements, anong meron? Okay. See? Virgo. The Hermit in reverse. Okay. So, getting out of a situation. Okay. The Queen of Cups. Oops. The Queen of Cups. Some of you, this is like a healthy boundaries. Focusing on self-love. Okay? Yeah. The Seven of Cups. Hindi mo kailangan maging option. Pisces. Hindi mo need yun. Okay? Masyado kang importante, no? Hindi ka para gawing option lang. The Hermit plays in reverse. The King of Swords. Some of you, there's like a decision, no? Pwedeng may lalabas na result. Okay? Na pwedeng, yeah, magandang nakikita ko rito. Okay? Magandang nakikita ko. Some of you makakapasa. No? Makakapasa. That's the word. Makakapasa. Yeah, the Ace of Cups. So, there's an offer. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. Kasi para itong something like pinaghandaan. Okay? And yeah, I'm ready to go out of the shell, of my shell, mga ganyan. No? Strong na. Yeah. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw na itong handa to face new challenges. Okay? New challenges. What's with the Queen of Cups? Queen of Cups. There's a Virgo na parang closed off or like detached and cold. Pero yeah, meron tong emosyon sa'yo. Nakatago lang. Queen of Cups. The Ten of Swords in reverse. Yeah, this is healing. I think this is healing. Okay? Some of you. The Seven of Swords in reverse. Kasi marami ka nang na-experience. Hindi mo na para balikan uli. No? Tinatapos mo na lahat ng situation or tatapusin mo lahat yung mga situation na hindi naman okay. Yeah, the Two of Swords in reverse. some of you, there is someone who is talking. Pero I don't know, pwede may chance na i-express nila how they feel. Okay? I-express nila yung feelings nila pagdating sa'yo. 7 of Cups, please. The Queen of Pentacles. Okay, and some of you, sobrang responsible mo. Ang dami mong gawain. Iba rito, para kang single parent. Yeah, single parent. Nagkakaroon ng problems towards kung ano yung uunahin. Okay? Minsan hindi mo kailangang laging piliin yung iba. No? Minsan, you need to pamper yourself. No? Parang kailangan mo, syempre, paminsan-minsan, i-treat mo yung self mo. Okay? By being good. Yeah. By being good. Parang ganun eh. By being responsible. I-treat mo yung sarili mo. Okay? Minsan, kailangan mong i-treat yung sarili mo. Minsan, kailangan mong i-rewardan yung sarili mo sa mga ginagawa mo. Okay? Hindi mo kailangang i-guilt trip yung sarili mo. Hindi mo kailangang makinig sa mga sinasabi ng iba. Okay? Yeah. Lalo na kung hindi ka naman nahingi. Okay? Nang ipanggagastos mo sa sarili mo. Yeah, real talk. No? So, yeah. Kailangan mo paminsan-minsan, piliin yung sarili. No? Kahit sabihin natin, single parent ka. No? Sometimes, bigyan mo yung sarili mo. No? Minsan, i-treat mo yung sarili mo for being a good parent. Okay? So there, dito po na natapos ang ating reading for all signs. So thank you. Bye!